Is your hair dull, dry, or falling? Tired of chemical products with no results? Try this powerful, all-natural hair remedy. Using rice water and aloe vera magic. Strengthen roots, boost shine, and stop hair fall. Say goodbye to split ends and dryness. Follow step-by-step results from day 1. 1 cup of rice, any type works. Place rice in a clean glass bowl. Add 2 cups of filtered water. Stir gently, then soak for 30 minutes. This makes a nutrient-rich rice water, full of B vitamins and amino acids. Take 1 fresh aloe vera leaf. Trim the sides, peel, scoop the gel. Aloe is packed with vitamins A, C, E, and B12, essential for hair growth. It hydrates, repairs, and soothes scalp. Grind the aloe vera gel well in an electric grinder. Strain the soaked rice water well. Also strain the aloe gel smooth. We need a cup of soaked rice. Add 3 tablespoons of rice water. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Place the mixture in an electric blender and blend until creamy. Filter the mixture. Put 4 tablespoons of the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil. Squeeze in juice of 1 fresh lemon. Mix everything until smooth and creamy. How to apply. Apply cream to scalp and roots. Massage gently in circular motions. Wrap with warm towel for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and shampoo. Enjoy soft, shiny, thicker hair instantly. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Visible hair growth in just days. Perfect for dry, thinning, damaged hair. Safe for all hair types, chemical-free. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.